Okay, so now we're gonna make some butter for our corn. We've got the Double Chipotle from Big Dog Spices, when just a single Chipotle just won't do. And we've got some butter. We've already put this in the microwave, about 125 grams. So I'll put that in the bowl first. Now we're gonna use about 50 grams of the spice. Give it a good mix. That should do it. Now, the key here is we're only going to put half of it on the corn now, and when we're actually grilling the corn later in the afternoon, we'll add the other half. Give it a good healthy serving. Okay, so now we've given a really healthy dose of the sauce. As I said before, just leave some for later when we actually put them on the barbecue. So just keep in mind that we have pre-cooked these ones in the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes, just to speed up the cooking process. We're gonna put them on the barbecue later just to char grill them, just turning occasionally. And when they're ready, we'll take them off and enjoy them for lunch.